Hello my dear students, so this is the paper folding and you have to find out the patterns of the figures given here. So this question is very important for SSC examinations, RRB examinations and almost all competitive examinations which include reasoning, okay. So I will be explaining to you some of the good tips and tricks that you can apply to find the answer for this. So let us look into the first question. So if you are getting a question like this, what you have to do is you have to check the first figure of the given. So you can easily identify that the first figure is a square figure and the arrow shows the direction in which the paper is folded. So it is folded accordingly, and in the second figure it is folded downwards, and finally a punch is given, that is two holes are produced. Okay, you can see very clearly from this figure. So after that you have to identify how it will look when the paper is unfolded back to its normal position. So students, you can see that there are two holes here, so you must have the idea regarding the mirror images and all. So I will be teaching you that. So if two holes are produced, definitely other two holes will be produced in this two way, and also in this two way, and this two way when the paper is unfolded. So it is the answer is almost here. This is a very simple and basic question. Hope you are getting it. Okay. So students, this can be found out using another technique also. So since this figure, this third figure has two holes in it, you can just do it like this. There are total of two holes, and how many portions are there? Definitely 1, 2 and 3, and here 4. So total 2 into 4, which gives an answer 8. So there will be total 8 holes. Okay, so that is what you have to understand from this question. So the answer is very clear to you. Which is the answer? The one with the 8 holes. So definitely option A is not going to come, option B is not going to come, option C is the answer. Option D is also a wrong one. So hope you have got the idea. So let's go to the next question. Question number second. So just think of how we are going to solve this before I am explaining it all. Okay, so you can see that in this question, the first figure, there's a square box, and the paper is a square and a circle, and it's folded accordingly. Okay, so on the second, the folding is in this position, and after that, the third figure, you can see how the paper is folded. So how it will look when unfolded, when after this punch is given here. Okay, so you have to identify it. So students, you can apply the previous trick. I have told you the total number of holes is 1, and multiplied by the total number of spaces 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1 to 4 equal to 4. So total there will be 4 holes in the unfolded image. Okay, so you have to understand that. So what's the answer? The answer is option D. No other figures will be coming. Option A is wrong, option B is wrong, option C is wrong. So hope you are getting the correct answer. So students, if you like this classes and if you feel it good, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Okay, so that I will be uploading more important videos for you. So coming to the third question. So the third question is also a type of question in which a circular paper is folded in this direction at first, then after that the direction it's downwards, and then it's not a circular hole, it's a pattern of an arrow is shown here. So it is cutted in this section. So they are asking what's the figure. Students, if you are getting the answer, that's very good. Try to find out the answer before I am explaining. Okay, so there's a total of 1 hole. Our normal method is here, shortcut is here. The total portion is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 into 4, which is equal to 4. So there will be 4. This arrow mark pattern will be there in the unfolded paper. So let us see how many 4 options are here. So you can see in the option 1 there are 4 such pattern. Option 2 also for such pattern. Option 3 is definitely not going to come because it only have 2 holes. See, option 4 is also having 4 holes. So it's a confusion because 3 options are remaining. So now what you have to look into is the arrow, the direction of the arrow is inside. Okay, you can see clearly from here that the direction of the arrow is facing inward. So definitely in the unfolded section also the placement of the arrow will be always towards inside. So in the first option you can see that here it's outside and here also it's outside, so this option is wrong. In this question you can see that this part is facing inside and these two parts are facing outside, so this is also not going to come. So in the third question, that's definitely eliminated. So the only option is option 4. Yes, it follows our correct method, that is all the arrows are facing inside. Hope you are getting it. So coming to the next question. Question number 4. So students, try to find out the answer before I am explaining. So here you can see in the first figure. So we must always go to the first figure. Please do not go to option or any other part of the question. If you are getting a question like this, go to the first part. You can see it's a square type paper, and in the question it is clearly given that it is folded in 2 different positions, in this position and in this position. Okay, and after that it's folded in this direction. So imagine that in your mind. Okay, and after that 2 holes are punched and one pattern is centered, one triangular pattern is centered. So what will be the final answer? So you have to check into how will be the final figure will be coming. So students, what you have to do in this case is see how much time, how much places we are having. So total, see, we have 2 holes here, right? So 2 holes and 1 triangular mark. So 1 triangular mark into 4 sections will give 4 such triangular mark, right? And holes, there is 2 into 4 sections, that is 8. So 4 and 8. So these are the 2 different patterns on this paper, and you have to check when it is going, what will be the pattern when it is unfolded. So students, what's it? Hope you are able to get it. First check the total number of 8. Let's see how much 8, that is the circular punches, are here. So it is very easy for you that the circular punches with 8 holes is only option number 2. So you can definitely eliminate all other option. So you are getting the final answer, option number 2. So that is one of the easiest trick you can employ to find this question. So hope you all got it. Coming to the next question. Question number 5. So how will the unfolded paper look like after this? So students, it is given a square and one end is folded in this direction, and in the second figure you can easily clearly identifiable that after that the bottom right portion is also folded and 2 holes are given as shown in the Z box. Okay, so how will it look when it is opened? Students, just to apply our trick. So total there are 2 holes, right? 2 holes, and it is folded 2 times, so definitely it will be having 4 holes. So how we are going to find it out? So if you have the answer, you can say it. Students, just do one thing. Hope you are doing it, and just comment your answer, okay, for this question on the comment section. We will see how many are making it right. Comment it on the comment section. Okay, so coming to the next question. This is a very simple question, and you definitely can eliminate all the options just by looking into the edge type cutting. Okay, so what's the edge cutting here? So I think you can do this also by yourself, and please comment the right answer on the comment section. I will be pinning the correct answer and also will be explaining if anyone is doing it wrong. So try to do it and complete it. Okay, so I think almost all the type of questions in the paper folding section is done. Hope you are happy with it. I will be doing more, so please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, share this video with friends who are preparing for competitive examinations. Thank you.